Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you how to fix Windows 10 network limited access or Windows 10 Wi-Fi problem. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. First method, right click on the start menu, then click on the device manager. Now opening device manager, and in the device manager find network adapter. Double click on this network adapter option. You will be able to see some option for network setting. You have to choose first option, then right click on this option. Then go to properties, go to power management tab, uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option. Then click on the OK button. Check this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, then try second method. Second method, again right click on the start menu, then click on the device manager. Opening device manager, and in the device manager find network adapter. Double click on this network adapter option. You will be able to see some option for network setting. You have to choose first option, then right click on this option, then go to properties, click on the driver tab, then click on the update driver option. You have to choose second option, browse my computer for driver software. Click on this option. Let me pick from a list device driver on my computer. Choose this option, then click on the next button. Wait few seconds for installing driver. Go to check this problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, then try third method. Once again right click on the start menu, then click on the command prompt admin. Yes, in here type netsh int IP reset, netsh space int space IP space reset, then press enter. Now restart your computer and check this problem solved or not. I hope solved your limited access network problem in Windows 10. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to fix Windows 10 network problem.